This 2024 Hillsboro aluminum utility trailer 78 by 12 utility trailer with bifold ramp is a utility trailer RV. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Hillsboro is 11 feet 11 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Hillsboro aluminum utility trailer 78 by 12 utility trailer with bifold ramp is 638 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.